Hi, if you want to start with learning how to code, then this video is for you. It will give you great free resources to start with. If you want to learn to code, now is the best time. We have countless resources available on the net that will get you exactly where you want to be. Also, make sure to watch the video in this playlist about Developer Roadmap. It describes all the technologies a developer should know. It will guide you in what is important and what not. With so many technologies, you can get lost. So watch the video. And now to free courses and tutorials. First one is Free Codecamp. Free Codecamp is the best place to learn to code for free. They've got a free 2000-hour tutorial you can take. You start with the basics of HTML and CSS and responsive design, then proceed to JavaScript, algorithms and data structures, data visualizations, APIs and microservices, Python and data analysis, security and machine learning, all the way to coding interview preparation. It's all you need in a tutorial to get you a job. The courses are self-paced read-through with a coding area where you can practice what you learn. If you prefer videos, they have a YouTube channel with over 1140 comprehensive video tutorials available. You can get lost. Free Codecamp is a #1 resource if you want to learn to code for free. Then Udemy. Udemy prefers paid courses. They frequently have a sale where you can get courses for as low as $10. The price is super small compared to the quality and content you get. Be sure to read the reviews first. Check out this channel for more reviews of Udemy courses. There is a Udemy sale going on right now for as low as $10.99. But Udemy also has a free resource center where you can get free Udemy courses. edX is a non-profit organization founded by Harvard and MIT. They have more than 20 million learners and include a majority of top-ranked universities in the world and industry-leading companies. Most courses are free. You can pay extra to get a certificate. They cover all topics you need to become a full-stack developer or a mobile developer. You can go into machine learning and data science. With so much knowledge, you'll need another 100 quarantines just to manage. What3 Schools is one of the best resources. It's where I started about 20 years ago. It's still a great resource where you can read tutorials and practice in an online editor for code. SoloLearn is another place for beginners. Besides video courses, you have a forum and a code playground. SoloLearn's advantage is its mobile app that you can use to learn to code. They've got almost 40 million learners already using the app and the platform. Codecademy has lots of free courses and some are available only for pro users. You read the instructions and you use an inline editor to try the code out. Udacity courses are high-paid ranked courses. Their courses are of excellent quality, but the price might be too much if you're searching for low-priced courses. Udacity has tons of nano-degrees that can propel you into a new career path. But did you know that they also have a list of free courses available? Google developers. No surprise that Google would have a platform providing web fundamentals completely free. It's called Google Developers. Here you have a web resources. You can start with the basics, master their tools, learn about progressive web apps, or you can go to training to the code labs. Besides the web, you can learn mobile development with Flutter or machine learning with TensorFlow. It's a wonderland. YouTube is the best search engine for videos on the planet. It also has a great channel with comprehensive tutorials. Try it out. Type Python tutorial, for example. You won't be disappointed. With so much free resources on the internet, you can learn to code and get a job without paying for high-cost education. Be sure to get a coding partner to motivate each other and start learning now. And follow this channel to get more resources coming up. Bye-bye!